Niguataniro gatagati ka honge itiganite iria ni hamwe na kamiti ya ithurano na mihaka, ministry ya ugiteri wa thiini, ruhonge rwa borithi, ruhonge rwa ucirithania undu umwe na ministry ya ukinyaniria iria icemanitie na itanya ria kunyorotha mubango wa kugacirithia githurano kinene kia mwaka ukite. Hindi ya gikaro giki minister wa ugiteri wa thiini Dagitari Fred Matiang'i neranire wihariria wa gikiro kia iguru makiria hari honge cia ugiteri akigweta ati gutiri ngahe ao ciothe ikaunirwo ritho ikigiritanio na githurano.
I want to assure Kenyans there is nothing to fear. We are ready to provide security. We have the requisite resources and the capacities we need to ensure the country remains peaceful through the elections season.
Kurigana na Matiang'i, ruhonge rwa borithi ni rwihariirie na maabitha kuigana aria ni nginyagia maabitha eru aria mararikiriria mathomo mao thukuru-ini itiganite cia borithi.
Shortly we will be adding 5,500 police officers who are coming out of college shortly and 300 specially trained cadet police officers who will work and beef up the work of the IEBC to conduct the elections.
Ningi Matiang'i ni agwetetie ati ni marikitie guikia ngono na guthitanga seneta umwe agikuruhanio na ngaheha iria ciumirire kaunti-ini ya Busia muthenya wa Juma. Riu akirutira ateti yothe mukana gukwa kimahoya o mundu eharirie gukua murigo wake wona ngaheha ciumira mucemanio-ini.
We will not accept these kinds of behavior across the board. We must obey the law. No one needs anyone's permission to go anywhere in the country as long as you are a citizen of this country.
Mwena-ini wake mucirithania munene Kameme uria nowe muikaririgiti wa kamiti ino iria irakuruhania honge itiganite cia thirikari neranirie ati ruhonge rwa magoti ni rurathie na mbere na mehariria maruo guku makiambika kuheana mathomo megie macira ma ithurano kuri aruti wa wira.
We depend on each other. We are independent in the way we perform our functions, but we are interdependent in terms of the delivery of the free and fair elections.
Nige komeneranirie ati macira mothe ma ithurano maria matari marikirira ni magukorwo makirekerera ihinda-ini ria mieri 3 yukite guku akiranira ati ni magwithemana na gwikururia kwa macira ta maya makiria thutha ithurano cia mwaka ukite.
We have agreed that it will be necessary for us to meet regularly to evaluate and monitor our state of preparedness, because Kenyans, in their sovereign power given to us, gave us this mandate to undertake on their behalf.
Kurigana na muikaririgiti wa kamiti ya ithurano na mihaka wa Philip Chebukati, unyitaniri uyu ni guteithiriria hanene hari gukinyaniria ithurano iri na uma na waragania.
If each and every one of these agencies do their role, then we can assure the country that elections next year will be free, fair and credible.
Hadi ni Kameme TV, retora kwa ni Bataru wa Mwagi.